The sedimentary minerals include oxides and hydroxides such as ice. Yes, ice is a mineral like goethite and kaolinite. And now we have the carbonates, which include minerals such as calcite, aragonite, dolomite, rhodochrosite, siderite. And as for the carbonates, we have magnesite. And now we have salts which, like carbonates, can be classified as evaporites. And these include halite, sylvite, gypsum, and anhydrite. And now we have the silicates, which include chert and agate, which are microcrystalline quartz minerals that form in marine environments and can be abiotic or biogenic. And now we have the phosphorites, which are minerals that have high phosphate content, such as apatite. And last we have soil, which isn't a mineral, but it has important sedimentary material. Hope you guys enjoyed.